Hey.
Hi, Sophia. Sophia, let me ask you a few questions, okay? Sophia, where's your hair? Good job. Okay, where's your ears? Good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what happened?
Phone.
No, that wasn't the phone. That was, I don't know, that was some weird noise. Okay, now I'm sorry, where is your eyes? Good girl. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your cheeks? Good job. Give me a high five. Okay. Where are your hands? Very good. Where's your tummy? Right there. Where's your feet? Are those your feet? Do they stink? Ew. Are they smelly?
Feet.
Feet. Where's your butt? Very good. Good girl. Okay, do you want to do it in Spanish? En español? Mommy's going to sound funny, but we're going to do it, okay? Ready? ¿Dónde está pelo? Sí. ¿Dónde está ojos? Sí. ¿Dónde está boca? Boca. That's nariz. Nariz means nose. Boca? Yes? ¿Sí? ¿Dónde está manos? Manos. Sí. ¿Dónde está boca? Sí. ¿Dónde está nariz? Sí. ¿Dónde está culito? Sí. ¡Yay! Mi amor. Muy bien. Muy bien. High five. Sophia, can you say I love you?
Hello.
Can you say te amo?
Tito.
Say te amo.
Mama.
No, te. Say te
Tell.
amo.
Mama.
You like the camera? Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
Baby. Mama.
Okay. Okay. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say hola?
Lala.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Cheese.
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 Cheese.